it's where I need to concentrate too much on it while I was reading it.
So Arya, this I felt it in the beginning only. That's why I asked you to read this thing.
No, I felt it. I was going to say it in the end after reading everything. But use sans serif fonts for reading. They are readable fonts. Your fancy fonts are never readable. You'll lose interest. Till the end I come, my eyes will have so much strain that I won't read it.
Okay, ma'am.
Arya, just what you have written, everything I can imagine is real. Whatever this font is, you keep the same font for your body also, and reduce the size also. Never go for this kind of fonts which are difficult to read.
Okay, sir.
It felt to me, and it felt to Veena ma'am also, as she was started facing problem in the first line itself. So
no, I read half of the thing already, and then I was like, I'll give you the suggestion at end. Use sans serif. Best way is use Times New Roman, Arial. They are best all time.
Okay, ma'am.
Arial is like happy overly used. You can go for Helvetica, which is also overly used, but it's nice. Helvetica Rogato. You use any of these, or you can go with this one also. This is very beautiful font. Everything I can imagine is real. It's very clear and crisp, and it stands. So, Arya, don't use this font. This is very beautiful, weird font.
Okay.
Balance everything is off. Okay, everywhere you need to change that. And what is this resume?
About my skills and interests and hobbies.
I don't think you need any resume or all this sort of things. Because this is giving, somewhere you have written 10th grade, first 10th grade. Doesn't matter which school you are. Here also you have written achievement, CBSE, state office, something like that. Okay, you can keep this one. What do you say about this, Veena?
Arya, if you have given your first introduction, then you don't need resume. You either put resume or your design philosophy. I guess design philosophy works better because right now you are don't have any experience or anything to put resume, or you haven't learned much about design also.
Right.
Yes, resume
so
comes
remove
after
this page off.
Okay.
So you don't need to, and anything if you have something like that, the Photoshop, this much is something like that, you can anyway while interview you can do that, you can mention that.
Okay.
They're literally hiring you to teach you all this stuff. They're going to teach you 4 years. So they don't care that you, instead of spending time on this, you could have done some visual representation of your story. That would have been much better. So if you have time, so do your reflective representation. Do some visual representation with it. Maybe whatever you are good with. I think you are really good with your hand skills.
Okay.
So you can use your hand skills a little bit. Not this font. Presentation. There is a red thing happening. Let me see the page as a whole. Is it A4 size or what kind of size is this?
A3 it is, sir.
What page?
I don't think so. This is A3.
Let me download and make it. Whenever you send, now I don't want it to go. It's going to be trouble for you. But down to right now, whenever anyone should send a portfolio which is being used on screen, has to be on landscape version, because it comes on the full page of the screen. One page should come on full page, but it's fine. Don't worry about that. Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
Open it. Let me see. Can you see that? I'll have to zoom in to see the full page. At once, let me do a view. This is how they're going to take view, full screen, into full screen. This is how your page is going to appear. Okay, right there in the center, छोटा सा. When anyone will zoom it, and your page is going to appear like this. Okay, then everyone has to like zoom in, zoom out. That's not a nice feeling. Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
let me see what is the possibility to change this landscape. Product is. Hmm. Hmm. That's gonna be hell lot of. Don't do that. Okay, leave it like that. It's looking nice. Okay, it's looking beautiful. You have done very clear and crisp presentation, so that's fine. Just change the font.
Okay.
Just change the font. What is this current?
So
You
that's
have designed the logo.
yes.
You have designed the logo.
Yes, sir.
Do mention that about the logo also. You have designed it. Okay. Do some reference
Okay.
about the logo as well. Maybe you can do it like that. Branding for a new design. Your this thing. The what is that? This is a
So that is
extension, and what is this? A earphone.
yes.
What is the motive behind it? Easy to use, pocket friendly, available. Place. What is the project brief?
So I wanted to design something that we get we keep earphones and that gets tangled. So to reduce the amount of tangles that we get in our earphones, then this is the product.
Now, do you know that? Have you discussed that we already have so many options, alternatives available in the market? You need to mention this thing why your design is better, and you have to write redesigning product to for the your headphone gets tangled. So you're redesigning a case for it. Okay, so this is you need to write that brief.
Okay.
Redesign a case for earphone so that it will
Earphones.
not tangle. Okay.
Okay.
The project bit has to be there because I'm not understanding what you're doing here.
Okay.
That doesn't give a clear idea, right? And if this will be the situation, people will not validate it. Okay? Game design for
So I'm going to remove this. Yeah. So I'm going to remove this page. Game design for toddlers. I'm not keeping that page.
Okay. Why?
I don't think that good. I just felt it.
What is the concept behind it?
So this is an educational toy for kids based on advanced AI. So.
And how this is working?
Sorry.
Twitexa is a Mario. This is a Mario boy will instruct children what to do with him memory-oriented jigsaw puzzle. With him, his please pay attention on your with writing language as well. Okay? Puzzle assist them and correct wherever the child.
I'm just going to remove that page. I don't know why did I do that.
All right. Project sustainability. But if it's justified, then why these are italic? This is summary. Make one style. When you already made your this headline bold, differentiation is already created. Bold करके फिर italic भी करने की जरूरत नहीं होता है. When we do italic, when we have a same font, same size of the font, same weight of the font, and we have some kind of quotation, we have to make it a little bit stand up. We do that italic without changing the weight. When you change the weight, no need to do it italic. इसको italic करने का reason क्या है?
Okay.
Right? Keep it like that. Either keep it bold or keep it italic. I think this is the bold thing will be enough. And there shouldn't be any big difference. If it's the body is 12, then this should not be more than 14. So this is the difference between this is huge. This is looking like 18 font size. This is looking like somewhere around 12. There's a big difference, and it's bold also. No need to do that. This looks very tacky. Okay. Now Tetra Pak. Okay, Tetra Pak. This is research summary, alternative, and this thing. This is a beautiful work, beautiful process. You know, this kind of work. If someone is seeing you, they are not expecting any immature work from you, right? You've done such a nice, beautiful work. I don't know what it is, but the process is looking nice. The person, this is how the designers see the world. This, oh, research only, there are something. Alternative, oh, okay. Hmm, that also. And after that, you've done some process to know how the construction happened. After that. Okay, good job, good job. They will not go
Thank you.
deep that much. If it's looking clear like this, they will not go deep that much. So make sure that you do the same thing for every of your work. What is this? Fabric Flask. What is this? What is this project?
So when I went Manali there, I saw a lot of plastic around. So and I talked to locals also. So they said they do not have they do not have occupation, or they do not have jobs in winters when it's very snowy, like heavily it's snowing. So to reduce plastic as well as to provide a job to them, this product is being designed. I've shown the process.
Okay. Survey problem. First of all, you don't write survey first, you write problem first.
Okay.
You write the problem first, then you write your research and survey summary and all this stuff, whatever you have. Okay. First is the problem. And problem has to be very clear. Problem has to be written separately, and problem statement has to be one, not three.
Okay.
It has to be one problem statement. Maintain definition of problem statement has to be one. You did a design thinking class, right? We had design thinking class for all of you. Okay, Fabric class, fine. Good job. Writing, what is this writing? It's poem or something?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, just keep make this photograph little larger, but you have a towards environment. Okay. Okay, that's fine. This is nice. So make your photograph a little larger, and every rest everything is fine. Just careful. Be careful with your fonts. Okay. Here, अचानक से कोई नया font आ गया.
Okay.
I think it's everywhere. The texture has been changed. Can you see my contribution towards the environment? Here, everywhere you have some different texture in your this heading font. Somewhere you have completely black. Make sure everything has to be heading has to be
Arya, somewhere this
font
gray,
has to be
somewhere your gray gradiency is not complete. As you can see in that necklace, some on the down part there is white patchiness left, which is not done completely till the end.
Yeah. So that is
Yeah,
complete.
so
this you're talking about. Veena, this
sir,
in the corner you're talking
just
about.
no, sir, just scroll down bit. Yeah, and the last
Oh, this
corner,
one here.
left side, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So these things you just keep this thing in mind. If you have a bigger part left like that, can you see here? This is completely becoming a subject here. But this one actually is not becoming subject. And of course, you never know. I did not observe it. I just went, but there was someone. And jury panel, there won't be only one person. There will be 3-4 person who is checking on कहाँ पे क्या गलती. One person will be there only for the font. वो बस font ही देख रहा है तुम्हारा. Maybe situation can happen like that. Okay, so just be careful
and
about
your
that.
alignment difference is also there's difference in your alignment. See the necklace upper side width and lower side width, the white difference, there's a difference between white patch.
Okay.
Yeah, the border you're talking now.
Yeah, borders.
And the gap also, the gap whatever
Yeah,
you
border
have
gap
on the
and
top, you have on the top of your artwork and the page, same has to be here in the bottom and same has to be in the middle also. So make your artwork a little bit bigger and align it. It will happen. Okay, it will come with. इसको थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट कर देना साइड से.
Okay.
चेरी है ना, शॉर्ट करके सेम साइज में कर देना. This is squarish, your glass one. This also you can do squarish. Easily it can fit in square because this is just centralized artwork. So confirm geometric form. You have explored with the form, that's fine. Okay. क्रॉप करो इसको, इस your poly को ना साइड में black दिख रहा है, can you see there is a small patch, this
Yeah.
is visible black. Yeah, इसको
Yeah,
crop करो
I
अच्छे से.
see. Okay.
Yeah, rest everything is fine. What is this?
It's the representation of Priyanka Chopra galas.
What are you? Okay.
Don't
चलो
write
ठीक है.
sketch form. Don't write sketch form. Write stylized illustration.
You know, character design. You just
Okay.
write character design.
So I'm caricature form, so I wanted to do that.
Yeah, so
Yes.
write caricature form because that won't work.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, bye bye.
Yeah, bye.
Good job. I like your portfolio. Just a little bit of orientation
All
and
the
everything.
best.
Just make that. She has a good portfolio. Maybe no.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it's done nicely.
What about your
presented
thematic
nicely.
representation? Arya, your thematic representation?
It is not done yet.
Arya, that's really
Please
important.
complete.
And tomorrow is the deadline.
Yes, ma'am. I completed.
Yeah, please complete it as soon as possible.
Yes,
All the
ma'am.
best. Yeah.
Thank
Kavita.
you.
Thank you.
Kavita.
Yes, sir.
Such a fancy font. Keep it only 2, maximum 2.
Yes, sir.
One is for, she's fighting the curtain. One is for your headings and all these, when you're starting your header, and one is for your content. Okay,
Yes,
keep it just 2 font. Okay, and the size, make the font size little smaller. It should look very tiny. I'll show you this now. Make it shorter. Okay, keep it around 12 or 14, something like that, not more than that.
Okay.
Maximum 12 will be fine. Okay. Content you have preface, textile design, fashion design. Which department you are thinking for?
Textile design, sir.
Textile you are thinking for. Okay. Because I wish to solve problem. Design thinking and technology. I've been a few of my work in this portfolio. No need of this page.
Sir?
Okay. No need of this page.
Okay.
This is looking like spoon fed. I like to solve problem. Everyone do that. Just remove this page. There is your thematic representation page already, so that will be fine for telling your story. What do you want in that? Textile design, make it smaller, and your this this artwork should be bigger. The ratio between your artwork and the page, the negative area, has to be 70-30 to 80-20. Okay, so negative area counts your written element also, and as well as whatever the extra space you have around. Your artwork has to be bigger. Can you see there is a lot of huge white area is left out?
Yes, sir.
It's looking very inappropriate. So make it from this corner to this corner and write here in somewhere textile designing. And if you have some idea like this is a texture of print development, write that print development.
Okay, sir.
Inspired from some wherever you have inspired from, you can write your inspiration.
Yes,
something like that. Just fashion, make it smaller. Keep this font smaller because this is grabbing a lot of attention.
Okay, sir.
Your this fashion illustration writing stuff is bigger than your models.
Okay.
You see that? You see the length of this and you see the length of the model.
Yes, sir.
It's overpowering everything. Make it shorter. ये arrow हटा दो यहाँ से. Make it dot or something like that. This looks like PowerPoint presentation kind of thing.
Okay, sir.
This kind of dots will be fine, but this arrow is barking on the page. Okay, anyway, explorations, write something about it. What it is inspired from jigsaw puzzle, t-shirt print.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sketches. Now there is another font. ये font is दूसरा ये. No, for the headings one font, Kavita.
Yes, sir.
And here we have Comic Sans, something like Comic Sans.
I'll change the
For
font.
these things, yeah, for these things, anti-racism, same font you keep for this also.
Okay, sir.
For one type category of representation, keep one font. Okay.
So can we go down?
Yeah.
Kavita, you can put this pen sketch in your textile development and put it on a shirt. That will be much better.
Okay, ma'am.
Kavita, this is internet downloaded photograph,
Yes,
and
sir.
there is a watermark.
You are not supposed to put any internet downloaded photographs. It's your portfolio, not
You,
someone else's.
you can put any internet downloaded photograph only for your mood board if you're making inspiration board.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and there also it should not be with the watermark of 123 RA.
Okay, sir.
Do not do that. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
delete this photograph. Just keep normal. Thank you. That will be fine. Good job.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
it's fine.
Kavita, your
Where is your
thematic representation?
Ma'am, I didn't complete, ma'am. I'm not satisfied with it, so I have to work with it a little more.
work
Kavita,
faster.
Kavita, you really have less time. Your portfolio is one hand and your thematic representation
ma'am,
is on other
I'll-
hand. Make
Yes,
sure you
ma'am.
complete it and send it across because tomorrow you guys need to upload it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. All the best. Carry on working.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Dhruv, ready with your note. You have to make note.
Yes, sir.
This is your first page.
This is my thematic reflective presentation.
Oh, this is thematic. Okay. Okay. Quite colorful and quite illustrated. Nice. Okay, tell me the scenes. Oh, this is about your Dwarka story, right?
Yes, sir. Journey story.
Yeah, so we should take precaution with, and in the last with your starfish, you have the learning out of it.
Sorry, sir. Pardon, please.
In the bottom area, in a box, there on the corner with the starfish, what do you have here? You have written something. We should take precaution before trying. Are these your observation and learnings from the trip or something? What is this in the bottom? Here.
Sir, it's
white
the.
So this is his learning only.
So when you're writing your learnings, can you do typing only here instead of handwriting?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Please do that. Please do the typing because this becomes difficult to read. And here you have done,
Yes, sir.
handwriting is, here it's typed only. So make it and keep the same font. Keep the same font. This is looking very like handwritten kind of a comic kind of font. So this is fine, and still this is looking elegant as well. So this will be fine. You keep the same font and write it inside here.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, just type it instead of doing this writing stuff. How are you gonna do that? You have written on the page itself. Just see the way you're gonna do that. You have to. It's difficult to read this cursive writing and can become difficult. But anyway, it's looking fine. Your representation is looking good. It's clear starting from one place and going to. Okay. Where is your portfolio? You send your portfolio as well, Dhruv?
Sir, I didn't complete yet.
Dhruv,
It's not
you need to
completed.
complete as fast as you can, Dhruv. Gaurav, next बच्चे को enter करो. Dhruv, you need to complete as fast as you can, Veena.
What?
Dhruv has left.
He left.
Next.
So एक बच्चे ने तो एटलीस्ट थीमेटिक कंप्लीट किया है, सबने पोर्टफोलियो बता रहे, थीमेटिक कोई नहीं बता रहा है. इसका रिप्रेजेंटेशन इज क्वाइट गुड.
या बस वही है कि वो पढ़ ले इसकी हैंड राइटिंग.
Sir, it's
बीच में
okay
handwriting लिखना.
if he is writing by hand also.
But mood पूरा change हो
Krishna is not
जाएगा.
gonna join.
Who is coming next?
Gaurav,
Yes.
Krishna is not going to
Vinas?
join. I guess she texted me saying.
Tell her to
Sakina.
text in the group. Tell her to text in the group. Shit.
Can I share my screen?
Yes, do share.
Yeah,
I'll-
please you share your screen, then it
Yeah.
will great.
So I had two topics to pick from, so I finally settled on one, and this is it. I still have a couple of changes to be made in terms of the layout and everything, but this is what it looks like.
This is your thematic representation, Navya?
Yeah, I mean, I still have some editing to do with the layout and everything, but this is it.
Navya, I can just three girls. Navya, this is not thematic representation. This is telling a story. You're there. There's nothing. There's no journey. I don't want to read this much story when I have 100 people.
Okay.
It should be in the form of depiction. You will have to narrate the story in the form of depiction, not write it and just use 3 characters.
Okay. I was planning to depict the entire story in the form of graphics around, but it was taking up too much space, and then I thought of representing it like very minimally with just 3.
Navya, the whole gif of your assignment was to check your creativity. They don't want to know how creative you can write. So if you can't represent it graphically, take pen and paper, whichever is fast medium right now, do it, because this is not the correct way.
Okay.
Vijendra sir, you want to add on something? Now you can keep this 3 emotion, 3 characters as your graphic characters and start doodling around the page so that your work will be much faster.
That was what I was planning to do, because I have a lot of like in between there's a lot of important stuff. So I mean, that's what I said. In terms of the layout, I still have to add a couple of things around here.
Navya, your write-up should be just 1 paragraph. Whatever you want to choose, whatever you want to write, it cannot exceed than 1 paragraph, which is of 4 lines maximum. That will be your learning and your most one important sentence of it. Rest everything has to go in the depiction. Your characters are really good, but if I see only 3 characters, that's not done. So keep these characters as main and start building stories around it. What was the effect of your first experience, second experience, and 3 phase of yours? Start depicting wise, doodle wise around it, so that it gets faster as you have less time.
All right.
Vijendra sir, your mic is muted.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. So send your second story also to Vinaman. Okay, and it's fine. You do just a depiction of that. Let's go with your portfolio. Let's go with your portfolio. You do the needful changes. Okay, and needful, you have to make the whole representation itself. What is going to disconnect or what? Shows this enemy.